Crank that.
Am I making that tighter?
We're Abby and Taylor, a travel-loving couple with a passion for adventure.
After years of dreaming about hitting the road, we finally decided to take the leap and convert our own van.
Despite having no experience in DIY.
In this video series, we'll be documenting our journey as we turn a basic van into our very own off-grid home on wheels.
From the initial planning stages to the final reveal, we'll be sharing every step of the process with you, including the challenges we face and the solutions we find.
We'll also keep you up to date with the cost as we go along.
Don't forget to subscribe and join us in this amazing adventure. It's day 4. It took us 3 days to clean the van because it was pretty rotten. And today, what we're going to be doing today?
We're going to be taking the seats off, taking the mat up, and then scrubbing under there, which looks just as minging, really.
Yeah, but we'll show you that as we get into it. What have you got there?
Got 2 different ratchets, one with T50 on, which gets these back bolts up. The front bolts, I'm not really sure what size they are, so I've got 18, 19 and 20.
You're struggling. What size? Tell us again.
It's an 18mm.
Right.
Am I making that tighter?
Oh! Do you want to help?
No, I think that's it.
Are you... Okay.
Oh, it's a bit wavy. There's 3 bolts down here which secure the handbrake to the seat. Handbrake to the seat. Just got to remove them.
How fast I can go. It's so easy with this thing, isn't it? And then when I use my hand, I can't move it.
Can you not?
No, this is wonderful.
When it stops clicking, that's when it's easy.
I love it.
Like, super easy to get out.
I'm having fun. Crank that. Oh look, oh, you ready? Are you ready? Oh yeah. Might hit the seat, then the seat will fly at you.
Good.
Wait, explain it again.
So you lift it up and then shimmy it forward.
Lift it up.
Do you want me to do it?
No, I can do it. I want to be able to. Wait.
You nearly got it.
No, I won't be able to move tomorrow. Tell you what to do. Ooh, a knife. That's what I need. So, I'm gonna take these off. Wait. I think, yeah. I don't know. Oh my god, it's cold. I would eat off that.
I wouldn't eat off it.
It's a bit crumb there, Dave. Should we? Go on. Go on. Just realised we forgot to do the door.
Oh my god, that's still on as well.
What's that?
Cover.
Oh. So now we've just got to unscrew these side things to get this step thing out so we can clean this thing. I'm so technical.
What? I kind of need to do something with it.
pick it up. What you doing?
I don't know how to say it, but I'm going to scour.
Scourer?
No, it's a scourer.
Yeah, it's
So
called
I'm
scourer. You're going to scourer.
No, I'm going to scour.
No.
Yeah.
No.
The metal.
So like
So it's
you
ready for
don't
paint.
call a sponge and then say I'm gonna spong. Do you know what I mean though? Bad example. Right, anyway, so give us a look at this. So we just got like one of the normal ones that you use for like your pots and pans, because these were like £1 for 2, wasn't it?
Wow.
Whereas if you get the ones that they say for this sort of thing, it was like £4 for one. So save yourself some pennies.
It's just getting any of the flake and paint round, isn't it?
What's next then, Taylor?
Hammerite.
And what's the crack with that? You're just putting that over the rusty bits that you've scrubbed, aren't you?
Yeah, it says you can paint it directly onto rust. Not
Cool.
in prime undercoat, quick dry and it's white.
Cool. Go, go, go.
So Abby's took over.
Don't say that.
Not in a bad way.
I'm doing the fun bits.
So we're just treating this bit down here.
I have a fun fact for you.
What?
Got an air starring out, you know. Did you know that? Look at that. Can you tell? Look at my edging. That's actually really bad. So we're going to put rust treatment on any of the little screw holes on the floor, and then we're going to silicone around all the little like gaps just to stop any rattling.
All we're doing is we're silicone these up. We stole it from Will's whereabouts, first of all, just to hopefully reduce vibrations, because the metal's not rattling off the metal as much. And these gaps.
I have a lovely view of your head. Thank you.
And so hopefully it'll reduce the vibrations, it'll add to the air tightness and waterproofness, supposedly.
Why are you whispering?
I'm not whispering.
That's very neat.
That there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it fell out.
Today we're going to be filing the sharp edges with this filer. It's ready to paint with the rust paint. Expelliarmus!
So this is where the ply was screwed in, and as you can see I've left some sharp edges on. It's not much, but it's nice to get it nice and flat and easy to paint, easy to get the boards up against it.
So I'm just going to talk you through how to use Hammerite smooth white metal paint. So you need to pick the paint pot up and then you need to shake it.
Why are you telling them through that?
I can't open it. Oh! Silly. I think that's why people use butter knives.
I know.
So why aren't we using a butter knife?
Because I can't be asked to find it.
I mean, it's right there.
Where?
In that thing over there.
Well, if you knew where it was, why didn't you get it?
If you see this big bit of rust here, that's definitely going to need a big coat. I don't know what else we're doing. Thank you. So I was just going to be treating like the little screw holes that we've filed with this Ronseal metal paint smooth white finish.
It's not Ronseal.
Right, with this Hammerite paint. But I I've ended up just painting the whole van, to be honest. We'll see how it goes. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up
Subscribe.
and click the bell for updates. We've got a few pre-recorded videos, but since we've had some issues with the van,
Due to this, we can't guarantee a video every week, but we will try to get them out as often as we can.
if you'd like real-time updates, then we suggest heading to our Instagram. Oh my dibness!
Dibness? What's dibness?
I was going to say days, but goodness. Yes. You ready?
Yeah.
So today, what's this called? File.
Yeah.
So today we're going to be filing the... What filing?
Sharp edges.
Sorry. So today we're going to...
Today we're going to be
Oh,
filing.
yeah, I thought I had a dog lead.
Easy to paint, easy to get the boards up against it. Yeah. What are you doing?
Trying to make myself look nice.
Oh. What's the matter about me? Hair's all over.
What day is it?